Greetings. In this tutorial we are going to look at how to use Chat GPT, first to sign up and also see how it can help you answer any queries that you may have based on research or any information that you want. So to begin using Chat GPT, you go in your browser and then you type in Chat GPT, you press enter, and then you click on this first link here. Okay, after it loads this interface, then you come below here and then you click on Try GPT. You give it a few minutes as it's checking your browser. So here you have the option of login or sign up. If you have a previous account, if you've already ever signed up for it, then you can click login, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll click sign up to sign up for a fresh account. So you can either put in your email address or you can continue with Google. If your computer that you're using is already has your Google account signed in, you can continue with Google. So I'm going to continue with Google because I have my account here. So continue with Google. Then you select the Google account that you want to sign up for with. So I'll select this. You give it a few seconds depending on the speed of your internet so that it can finish actualizing as it's signing you up. So then they ask you tell us about you. You put in your names. Since I signed up with Google, it picks the names of my Google account. In case you want to alter and change, you can feel free to edit. Click continue. Then you tell them to send you a code. Then make sure that that phone number you have it nearby because they send you a code right there. Okay, so right now we have been able to sign up successfully on Chat GPT and we can begin using it. So as you can see here, these are the kind of examples that they give, capabilities of the tool, the limitations. So please make sure you put all these into consideration. Take some time and read through all these. So to begin, if you want to ask any query or put in any question, you come here below and then you type in your question. What is and then you click on this. Sorry, just to get the spelling right. Then you click go. So as you can see, it begins giving you generating answers, and the tool is so rich that it gives you real in-depth context and as much information on the question that you are asking, and this is based on any topic of your choice. Okay, so feel free to exhaust and see how much information is relevant or useful to you. Okay, so if you want to start another chat, apart from this, you come here to the top left, you can start another chat afresh, and then you ask I'll use a different topic so that we can see the range in which it's able to provide answers. Then click here. So as you can see, it's still providing information, and you can stop it from generating here if you feel that what it has provided is concrete enough. And you can revisit any chart that you had. For example, the previous one, epidemiology defined. If I came back to it here, you'll be able to see the information that was provided. So you feel free to also like or unlike any of the material that has been provided from your question. Yes, so I would implore you to exhaust the tool as much as possible. And also, yes, this gives good information, but also you can use other different sources online to cross compare and see that the information that you have got from Chat GPT it has good context and has enough material of importance to you in whatever question that you are searching for. Thank you.